Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a dog, lion, cat and monkey. Let's start drawing. Trying to draw and paint with me.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
It looks so cute. Let's draw a cat right here. I'm going to use rainbow colors. Finally, I'm drawing a monkey right here.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Its tail. Great job! Let's make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's paint. I start with red color, purple, yellow, green, light blue,
and the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
orange, blue, pink, I'm going to paint its tail with the colors of rainbow. Brown. I love drawing and painting very much. They look so amazing. See you on the next video.